Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I would like to express my thanks to the committee of postgraduate international conference on social sciences and technology for postgraduate and researchers 2020. And my name is Hasrul bin Hashom. On behalf of my colleague, Mr. Ahmad Shahbuddin Arifin, Puan Rohafi Sabar, and Puan Hartini Ahmad. Today, I will present a conceptual paper entitled of Social Entrepreneurship Orientation on Firm Performance. Okay, for the abstract, we have already know that social entrepreneurship has become a new trend and a new business model globally and locally last 10 to 12, 15 years. And this concept paper will check the direct relationship on social entrepreneurship orientation toward firm performance, especially in Malaysia. And in this research or study, we will implement theory of structural contingency, since that it is widely used in previous research, especially to test the fit factor between the variables. And the concept paper will develop understanding on the diversity evolution of social entrepreneurship phenomena in context of emerging economy. And also the aim of the paper is to propose framework and propose for the future research. Okay. Why is this social important? Why is this study is important? Firstly, as I mentioned before, the social entrepreneurship is a new trend, and the research is now can be considered as the new phenomena in eradicate economic problem and the social welfare. So this is have been taken seriously by the government through Dasar Keseluruhan Nasional 2030, and it has been stated on strategy C3 memantapkan pelaksanaan kesanan sosial in order to make to ensure the sustainable of the social enterprise in Malaysia. And also we have been ranked as the high pioneering country for the social entrepreneurship. This has showing that government are very serious on dedicate on the social entrepreneurship sector as a the newcomers for economy business model implementation in Malaysia. And government believe that the social entrepreneurship in Malaysia will contribute to the social economy of the nation. So from the newspaper, the Star, you can refer from the Star. There has been research have been done by the British Council with the collaboration with Escape and also Yayasan Hasanah, showing that estimated 2,000 social enterprise are still growing in Malaysia, and in at UK alone, the 100,000 of social enterprise contribute to 60 billion to the UK economy, employed 2 million people, and enhance their gross domestic and also the percentage of employment. Okay, this is the paper. This is the report that I have mentioned before. It is a partnership within British Council, Escape, and Yes and Hamana, and with the report entitled "The State of Social Enterprise in Malaysia." On my research, on my presentation, I will explain few of the findings that have been brought by this report. Okay, let's see for the Malaysian demography. We have it is show from the report that most of the social entrepreneur is located is really active on the Lembah Kelang, which is Selangor and wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur, rather than other state and location in Malaysia. You can see from this from the picture that I have attached here. And also the range to be the age range of the social entrepreneur is between 31 to 50. There has been more than 60% involved in social entrepreneurship. The thing that why is only this range of age involved on this social entrepreneurship, because it should be among the youngsters, especially the graduates, the fresh graduates. And also the social enterprise showing that since it started in 1998 in Malaysia, but it has been considered the high peak for the social enterprise startup is on 2016 to 2017, but it has been showing the drop on 2018. This is things that we are going to check on this research, on this study. And also that the social enterprise sector in 2014 to 2015, the male, the male, sorry, the gender from the male one is higher than the female, but starting 2018, it have been reduced to 45% from 57%. And why is this happen? Okay, continue. This is one of the comparison between the social entrepreneurs established in outside Klang Valley. The blue one is showing the outside the Klang Valley, and the yellow, I think the yellow one showing uh, uh, the volatile, or maybe the uh, the the Lembah Kelang social entrepreneurship startup that have showing the increase, the high increase of involvement. And the problem statement that we have stated here is using the probability of the formal measure is not proof usefulness. It is not proof useful, as mentioned from the previous study by Travis FC 2008. So according to Pierce and Robinson, the how to look on the firm performance is by using the entrepreneurial orientation factor. So by using this variable, then we can check the influence for the firm performance. And it will also showing from the previous research that effort to develop the entrepreneurship development as the performance metric have drawn by the researcher study in relation between the two variables. And the underpinning theory that always related to this research is on the contingency theory as a basic theory on the study of a relationship between the variables. Okay, I would like to present you few of finding from the report. And the social entrepreneurship in Malaysia showing that 37% say yes when they are being asked about the profit, and 32% saying that they are achieve the break even, and 31% is saying no, and 31% is saying no, showing that there is something lack over the social entrepreneur that we have to do the research on it. Okay, and also the annual revenue just only on 2017 showing that 27%, or maybe more than 50% are less than 100,000, and only 9% is more than 1 million. So this showing that the profit generate the outcome, the response from the performance that show by the social performance, social entrepreneurship, social enterprise performance from performance is questionable, that we need to do the study on looking the problem that have arise from the report that have shown by the state of social enterprise in 2018. And social enterprise growth plan is also one of thing that we are going to look into by testing their innovativeness, the proactiveness, risk management, social mission orientation, effectual orientation, and also the sustainability orientation on our research. Later on, I will show you on the graph. And we also will look into the main area of focus, common and challenges, main as mission and social goal, and interesting in assessing the impact. Because when we are talking about the social enterprise, meaning we are talking about the impact toward society, especially in social missions. So I will this research, me and my colleague propose to perform the conceptual framework, this conceptual framework for the future research. And the social entrepreneurship orientation consists of innovation, proactiveness, risk management, effective orientation, and social mission towards firm performance, that we will focus on the investment, profit, reduction, operation cost, social mission growth, and also sustainable resources. That's all. Since it is 5 minutes, we very limit time, so I have present you a quite uh, for me it is quite complete, and hopefully uh, our aim to run the to present is uh, uh, to present the information about the conceptual paper achieved, and inshallah we will continue with the research. Thank you for thank you for the committee for inviting us and for giving us a chances to present and to publish the paper, and that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.